is Congressman and Dr. Dan Benishek from Michigan.
Hey, it's my great privilege to be with you all here today. You know, I'm a general surgeon. 2 years ago, at this time, I was taking care of patients back in Michigan. And I was wondering what this new law was going to do to my patients and to my fellow doctors. You know, American people never wanted this law. We flooded town hall meetings. We rang Capitol phones off the hook, took to the streets in protest, but the administration pushed this bill through Congress. My predecessor in my district, Mr. Stupak, cast the deciding vote. I was lucky enough to get the support of my fellow citizens on a pledge to repeal this law. Now, I voted for full repeal. I'm going to continue to fight this law as long as I'm here. I thought the law was a bad idea 2 years ago, and I know it's a bad idea today. You know, the administration made a lot of promises when they were trying to sell this law, and today it's evident that this law is bad medicine for America. The administration claimed you'd be able to keep your own health plan and your own doctor, and you can't. The administration claimed it would create jobs, and it didn't. The administration claimed it would lower costs. To sum it up, the bill to all American taxpayers is rising. Regulations are increasing, and insurance premiums are skyrocketing. I'm not sure which part of this bill is affordable, but I haven't found it yet. In the House, we've passed a full repeal of the President's health care law and have voted to repeal or defund parts of it 25 times. Unfortunately, the Senate keeps blocking these actions. This week, the House voted to repeal the health care law's one of their most onerous components, the Independent Payment Advisory Board. President Obama's hand-picked board of Medicare rationers. This week in the Supreme Court, they will decide whether or not the individual mandate is constitutional. You know, the Supreme Court doesn't really decide what's constitutional. We all decide what's constitutional. I took an oath of office. Every one of our elected officials took an oath of office to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. All right? This is the Constitution. Mr. President, Nancy Pelosi, please read it so you'll know what's in it. Our work is not done. In 2010, Tea Party Patriots throughout this country helped conservatives get elected to the House of Representatives. Just think what would have happened if the Democrats would have controlled the House for the last 2 years. Just think of the further progress of the socialist agenda that Mr. Obama would have had. We need to work as hard in 2012 as we did in 2010 because why? Because I'm butting my head up against the wall fighting for the Constitution. We need to get the Senate, and we need to get a change in the White House. So let's get out there and do our work and work hard to win in 2012. Repeal this bill.